Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC, heading up to Middle River up in Baltimore today. We're going to solve a client's yard drainage problem because he's got two sump pumps pumping that water into his yard. He's got downspouts. Obviously, when it rains, it's putting water in the yard. So we got all this water. So we're going to collect it all, put it into a tank underground, put a pump system into it, then pump the water from there to the woods line and take care of this problem once and for all. Come along with us, we'll show you how we get this done.